Good morning. We're here in Red Deer, Alberta at a commercial parking lot. The repair that we're doing today is the catch basin. What we'll do is we'll prep this area by getting rid of all the moisture, doing the best job we can of drying out the sub-base, and then we'll blend and homogenize the complete repair. Initially, this asphalt was repaired with a cut and patch method. That was the traditional method of doing these repairs. As you can see, it's resulted in 4 additional cracks that are deteriorating as time goes on. One of the many benefits of utilizing infrared technology in a thermal bonding repair is the lower footprint. This represents an entire crew. No bobcats, no skid steers, no gravel trucks. Less disruption to both pedestrian and vehicular traffic in any busy parking lot such as this one.